Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you the procedure on how can you fix SIM card locked with PKU code. If your SIM card is locked and your phone number is displaying a screen asking for a PKU, that is Personal Unblocking Key code, here's how you could fix it. So you're likely to enter a wrong SMS pin too many times, usually 3 attempts. Now your SIM is locked and your phone requires the PUK code. Unlocked it. Now here what you have to do is the PUK is often printed on the original card, and most carriers let you retrieve the PKU code under your SIM or device settings as well. If you cannot log in, call your mobile carrier and ask for a PUK. Be ready to verify an identity. Likewise, you could enter it exactly as shown. You typically have 10 tires. If you enter it wrong too many times, the SIM becomes permanently blocked and you'll need a replacement of the SIM. Once the correct PUK is entered, you'll be prompted to set a new SMS as new SIM pin. Pick something secure but memorable as well, and that should be able to help you out. If still not working, you simply want to contact or let the carrier know about it, and they will be able to help you out. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.